guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm about to show you this nice bantu knot, so if you want to see how I chip this look, guys, please continue watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using X-pression hair for this style. I'm taking it straight out of the pack and I'm just going to cut it in half. I will feather the hair just so it's not blunt. It has like some ends to it, so it helps me when I'm wrapping it around the bantu knot, guys. And I'll be using my Jamaican black castor oil just to moisturize my hair, guys, because I'm going to be keeping this hair in for about a week or so, okay? I'm going to be sectioning my hair, just sectioning from ear to ear, just a straight line, because I'm trying to make this into like some nice, you know, parting, like some boxes, fancy. I didn't want it to be like so straight, so I'm having like one side, like that area just straight, and then I'm just gonna go slant, like a little triangle kinda, and just so it looks nice and fancy, you know. Okay, you can do whatever you want, like you can put them in like straight boxes, but I'm just gonna show you how I'm rocking mine today. Okay, so when I'm done parting, I'm just holding my hair with some rubber bands. And then I'm just going to start with the front just to show you how to, you know, get this into the nice bantu knot. I'm using my eco styling gel and just to slick it down a little bit. And then I'm using the rubber band just to tie. Don't tie it too tight, because when you're trying to do the bantu knot, it's going to get tighter when you're twisting, okay? So just make sure it's not that tight. I'm just parting the hair, the X-pression hair. I'm just going to part it like one strand. And I'll be braiding with my hair as the third strand, guys. So when I'm just gonna braid a little bit, and then I'm going to cover my hair with the braiding hair, you know, and then I'll just start twisting it. So just make sure you get some gel, a little bit of gel, and you put on the hair and start twisting it around so your hair is covered. You know, my hair is 4C type hair, so it's really hard to cover it up, you know. Just make it as sleeker as possible and then just start going around. Do not let this hair go, because when you do, it's gonna unravel, okay? So just make sure you're like twisting and going on the bottom. Like when you're wrapping it around, just make sure you're going on the bottom, that it's nice and secure. And then when you're done, just make sure, you know, that's why I was feathering the hair. That way when I'm wrapping it around, I have like this little tail that I can just wrap it around. And then I'm just gonna use my scrunchie to hold it, guys. So yeah, so I'm just gonna repeat the whole shebang right there again on all of them, okay? So just bear with me. Braid, you know, wrap your hair around, use some gel, little gel, and twist it, twist, and you know, wrap it around, making it into this bantu knot. It's so easy, like anybody can do this, like, you know. Just make sure it's not too tight, because listen, it's gonna hurt when you make it tight, okay? So yes, girl, that's how we're doing it today. Hey, oh my gosh, I'm super excited for you guys to see the end. Woo! It was so cute. I'm like, oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna be rocking these bantu knots. Yeah, for real, like this is gonna be my go-to style. Yes, girl, so I'm just gonna show you how to do the rest, and that's about it. Bantu knots are a very nice protective style, you know, when you don't want to do too much to your hair, but you want to look cute. You know what I'm saying? hardest part of this style is just making sure you hold on to the twist when you're trying to do the bantu knot. But like when you're twisting your hair around, you're twisting the actual braiding hair. That's the hard part, but otherwise it's easy. Using these scrunchies to hold my bantu knots, guys, because they're really nice and soft. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. I got them from Amazon. Oh my gosh, if you want some nice scrunchies, like really nice soft scrunchies, honey child, get these are perfect. Even when I'm doing like, you know, like when I have my braids in and I want to have my hair up, I use these scrunchies. They are nice, guys, like for real. They're so soft, like, oh. Yeah, girl, so I'm just gonna finish up with the back and then make some baby hairs or whatever, and that's about it. Okay, sis. Okay, girl, this is it. Oh my gosh, look how cute they turned out. What? Let me get my makeup done. Yes, sis. Ooh, okay, sis. She feeling herself African queen. Okay. Ooh, child. They came out so perfect, guys. I'm like, wow. I'm just gonna get my Garnier, you know, my shine Garnier, bright like a diamond. We gotta shine, okay? And just spritz. That's about it. Sis, what you think? What you think? This is cute, right? Let me know if you're gonna be rocking this bantu knots, you know, just an easy, you know, style that you can rock. Very easy, doesn't take time, 30 minutes, you're done. That's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. Get your girl to 50K. Yes, girl, we're still at it. Thank you guys for subscribing. We're getting there. I see those numbers, sis. Yes. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah. Toodles.